guys, welcome back to my channel. I freaking missed you guys. I know I haven't worn a wig in like forever, I feel like. Okay, we have this nice poppin' Easter type of vibes going on here, and I freaking love it. So I have this dope makeup look that I want to show you guys today. It's like freaking bomb. I love the purples and the pinks, and it goes perfect with this Adidas jacket. I have this Adidas jacket. I have the whole suit actually, like since forever, and I just found it in my closet, and I'm like, yo, this gives me like Easter vibes, like fire. However, long story short, I achieved this look using a bunch of palettes as per usual, like 3 palettes, like nothing too crazy. I want to say happy Saturday. I hope everybody is enjoying their weekend. If you're new to my channel, my name is Ashanae. I love to play in makeup and create dope looks like this and recreate stuff and was, you know, all beauty related. So I'm gonna stop talking. Oh, don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section. I love you guys so much. Like, you just don't know. And we're gonna get started into this video. We're gonna go in with the It's My Rare palette first, and I do have a review on this palette. I will link it in the description box and have a pop up in the cards. This palette is fire. So I'm gonna go in with Majesty at the bottom, this nice bomb purple. This is a tapered blending brush, and we're gonna go in with the first It's My Rare palette. Yes, it's beat up because I use it like literally all the time. So we're gonna go into the shade called Sunset, and I was looking for a nice pink to like blend out the purple, and this is like perfect. So we're gonna use that to blend out. We're going to use that to blend out this purple here. See how that blended out very nicely? But now I'm going to go in with the shade called Friday right next to it. And I'm going to basically try to deepen up the between the purple and the pink shade. I'm going to just try to deepen that up a little bit more, and then we're going to go back into the purple. Now I'm gonna go in with the Juvia's Place palette, the masquerade palette. I probably did one video on this palette. I will link it in the description box to have a pop up in the cards. The look came out fire. However, we're gonna get into this one now. I'm gonna go in with Bori. I'm gonna put Bori on my lid. I love this pink. It just gives me, I don't know, I hate that this pink, it has a little bit of shimmer in it, but it's not a lot of shimmer, but the freaking eyeshadow alone is like freaking fire, like hands down. To the face, so I'm going to be using my e.l.f. mattifying primer lotion. Like, this is my stuff. We're going to go in with the e.l.f. pudding primer. This is my